Hello, and thank you for watching. My name is Brian Anthony. I am the CEO and founder of Mr. Beasley's Inc. Today, we're going to be talking about WESC. If you are looking for WESC, you are on the right YouTube channel. WESC is a brand that incorporates skateboarding, art, and music. It's considered a full lifestyle brand. So without further ado, let's jump right in. I'll be right back. Now that we've got introductions out of the way, let me tell you a little bit more about WESC. WESC was founded in Stockholm in 1999. They've done collaborations with companies like Adidas, Absolute Vodka, and Andy Warhol Foundation, just to name a few. Okay, what I want to do is show you their 2020 Fall and Winter collection, and I'll be right back. WESC set out to be a lifestyle brand that would be a mix of subcultures such as skateboarding, art, and music, combined with fashionable designs to create products that cater to the global youth culture. Since the beginning, WESC has built a natural relationship with inspiring, provocative, and upcoming figures in the music and sports industry. Welcome back. What I'd like to do is show you how this collection is packaged and shipped to your door. Our new eco-friendly packaging is stylish and friendly to our environment. With our sustainable packaging, it gives little environmental waste, which is important to all of us. Well, that's all we have for you today. Thank you so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video as much as I enjoyed making it for you, please click that like button and subscribe so you can be made aware of when we do our uploads. Once again, thank you so much for watching, and you have a great day.